how to make this video. First thing to do is to save the sound to your favorites. If you don't know how to save sound to your favorite, I have the video on my page, how to save sound to your favorites. I have it on my page, you can go and watch it, okay? After saving the sound, you click on add sound. That very sound you saved on favorite. That's the sound. I don't want this ugly face. Then you click on timer. Then you adjust it, put it in 7.3 or 7.4. You start recording, then you wait for it to count. Then after the counting, you start your video. Just watch me. You leave that place now and record empty space. You are no more there now. Just click on the record, this circle place to record it. So continue the record. Please give me a follow, like this video and share. Watch other video on my page. Ciao.